So today we are going to learn how we can convert our triangulate curve flow to a clean quad curve flow. So I have a model. So that model is fully triangulated. So first we have to select the triangulated part. Now my full model is triangulated. So first go to edit mode by pressing tab, then press A for select full model, then right click on that. Then you have to click on triangulate to quad. You can press Alt J also for that. Yep, see, I got a very good topology with quad by this way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.